My name's Mark Saxon. I started in the automotive field probably around 14 or 15, but my first job was actually at 18 working for Bill Hurd Chevrolet back in 1996, and I've been in the automotive field ever since. It's valuable for students because they get to come in here and learn a hands-on trade and skill. They also get to get entry-level certified by taking the ASE in whichever field they feel that they're the strongest in. And they get to, back here working in the shop, it's not all class time, so you get to get out of class and actually go out in the shop and put your hands on stuff. And you're not sitting in class all day like you would in a core class. They can earn pretty much general knowledge of the whole automobile, and when they leave here, they will know how to do complete brake jobs, tires, tune-ups, pretty much anything that there is to do with an automobile. I try to put their hands on it. And as far as certifications go, we have ASC brake certification coming up next month, and then after Christmas, they'll have the opportunity to take their steering and suspension certification test. Hands-on learning is important because you're learning hands-on firsthand. You are putting your hands on it before you get out in the real world to actually get a job doing this. When you go to an employer, you'll already know how to safely raise up a vehicle, remove the tires, do a complete four-wheel brake job, install everything back like it should be without having to go to your supervisor and ask for help. It prepares students right after high school if they want to go straight into the field they've already got to jump on their ASC certification. Employers look at that. You're employable, you're trainable, so they want those students. And as far as college goes or trade school, they can already be enrolled by the time they finish my program at Southern Union or Columbus Tech, or even if they want to go to the Nashville Diesel College. All of that is accessible to them through this program.
I'd say probably doing entire engine swaps or just working on major parts of vehicles, suspension overhauls, engine swaps, transmission swaps. Right now I'm changing out this is the valve head right here. Keeps the oil in from the engine while keeping the oil valves oiled. Right now, before I started working on it, it had a gasket leak. So I had to pull it off, change the gasket, put it all back together.